Across America, thousands are discovering Islam, taking their first steps towards the Deen and searching for guidance, community, and a place to belong. This summer, something historic is happening. The Institute of Islamic Education proudly presents the first annual National Revert Retreat, a first-of-its-kind national gathering dedicated to supporting reverts and welcoming those interested in learning more about Islam. For 3 inspiring days, attendees from across the country will come together to learn, reflect, and grow. Whether you embrace Islam recently, years ago, or are simply seeking a deeper understanding of the faith, this retreat is for you. Through inspiring lectures, interactive workshops, personal mentorship, and meaningful connections that will extend far beyond the weekend, you'll leave empowered to continue your journey with confidence and purpose, guided by renowned scholars and community leaders from across the nation. Join us from July 10th to the 12th at the Institute in Elgin, Illinois for an experience unlike any other in the nation. Build lifelong friendships, strengthen your connection with Allah, and be a part of a growing community. Secure your spot today at revertretreat.org.